Hello students. So continuing from the last video, today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the arrays. So let me first start with our XAMPP. So just click on the Apache start button. Okay. Then we will go to the our Notepad++ editor. So today first we will write our PHP syntax, and today we are going to start with our first type of array, that is known as the indexed single dimensional arrays. Now you guys know that array is nothing but a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. And if you have seen my earlier video regarding the basics of PHP, there I have shown you how to use the array function to create an array. So today we are going to see the first type of array, that is the index single dimensional array. Now let us take one example. Say suppose I am going to create one simple array called as students. Here I will be declaring the values using the array function, and say suppose here I will write the name of the students, Manish, Ulhas and Komal. Now you observe here students is the name of the array, and within the array function I am writing here three elements. So Manish, Ulhas and Komal are the three values present in this particular array, and each of these three elements will be positioned. Manish will be placed at position 0, Ulhas will be placed at position 1 and Komal will be placed at position 2. Okay. So this is how you can declare the array. Okay. Now let us say suppose I want to print single value, print value of the array. So how to do that? So I will write here echo, then say suppose I will write here student, and say suppose I want to print Komal. Okay, so Komal is present at position 0, 1, 2. So here in the square bracket I will write the position. So let us see what will be printed. So I will start, give the name here indexed array.php. So I will go to my Firefox web browser, then I'll go to my PHP lessons folder, and here index array.php is there. So I'll just open it. So here you can see the value Komal is printed. Now this was regarding displaying the single value of variable. Now say suppose I want to display entire array. So what I can do is that use the print underscore array function, and within that you write down students. Now since I want a break after this, so I'll just put here BR tag. Okay, save this, refresh this again. So see here all the values of the student array is displayed. So at 0 position Manish is there, at 1 position Ulhas is there, and at the second position Komal is there. Now there is one more way other than using this print r function to display the entire array. So let us use the for loop to display it. So say suppose I'll write something like this: for $I is equals to 0, then $I less than equals to count student array I plus plus, and just display the one value at a time, means $0 $I, first it will display student 0 value, then 1 value and the 2 value. So save this and let us go to again here and refresh this here. So you can see here the value, all the values present in that is displayed. This was the earlier output of single value, and this the entire array is displayed. So this is how the single dimensional array work. In the next tutorial we will discuss about the associative array.